Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the Palmrest on a Dell XPS 15 version 9575. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove bottom base. Then turn off battery power switch. Now unscrew and remove input-output board cable. Then remove input-output board interposers. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Next, peel off thermal pad. Then unscrew and remove SSD. Next, remove heatsink shield. Now unscrew and remove heatsink. Then unscrew and remove cooling fan. Then disconnect LED and speaker cables. Now unscrew and remove speakers. Now disconnect and remove CMOS battery. Then unscrew and remove brackets. Now unscrew and disconnect input-output circuit board. Then unscrew and remove brackets. Then disconnect display cables. Next, unscrew and remove display assembly. Then unscrew and remove brackets. Now unscrew and disconnect motherboard. The remaining piece is the Palmrest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.